Okay, today we're going to be making Play-Doh. The first thing you start with is you put a cup of flour into the pot. Put it all in there. Next, we're going to add cream of tartar, and you do, look at my recipe, you do 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Teaspoon is TSP. Okay. Get it nice and even. 1 and 2. Okay, and then you need to put 1/3 cup of salt. That's a lot of salt. Okay, next you are going to have a cup of water, and I like to put my food color, and you can pick whatever color you want for your Play-Doh. We're gonna do pink today. Put a few drops into your water. Okay, and then you mix it all up. I'll just use this little spoon here. Or wait, we'll use a little Theo spoon to mix it. Okay, so it gets that color nice and ready for us. If you look, okay. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and stir it into the flour mix here. Ooh, look at that pink color. Looks like Pepto-Bismol. Ooh. Okay, get this all stirred in. Now I'm gonna start moving this over to the stove because we're gonna turn the stove on. And if you have the stove on, you need to ask your parents for help. Okay, so I get this all mixed in. So I get all that flour mixed with the water. And I like to try and make it so I don't see all the little white specks anymore, as much as I can. Okay, now I'm going to add, you can either do vegetable oil or canola oil. And you need 1 tablespoon, and that says TBSP for tablespoon. Okay, do it over the pot so you don't spill. And pour it in. And then we're gonna mix it all up. And you're gonna turn your stove on to like medium heat. So mine's like high and low, so maybe like 4 and 6. Okay, and then you need to stir until this becomes like solid Play-Doh, and you just have to keep stirring and stirring because you don't want it to burn in the pan. You gotta get all that stuff in there. Okay, and just keep stirring, and it goes pretty fast. I'm gonna turn mine on a 6, or between like maybe like 7. Okay, so just stir, and you can kind of tell it's getting rid of all the flour bumps and kind of becoming more of a, it looks like a liquid right now, but it's going to change its state of matter, which we just learned about. Become more like kind of like a solid in a way. Okay. Looks like most of our bumps are all gone, so now it's gonna start getting warm and becoming more like Play-Doh. I can definitely smell it. Smells like Play-Doh. If you know the smell of Play-Doh, it's starting to really get that smell going on. And it feels kind of like it's warming up a little, so it should start getting solid here in a minute. Remember, like I said, if you want to do this, you need to have your parents help you when you use the stove. So I don't want you burning yourself. That would hurt. And if you look, you can see like it's starting to kind of get like Play-Doh now. So now is when you gotta make sure you're paying real close attention and just stirring the whole time. So it just keeps going. And like it's kind of looking bubbly, and that's because it's cooking. You just gotta keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And kind of like fold it over a little, so it kind of, it's all getting the bottom of the pan. Okay. And once this is like totally solid, then you can take it out and we'll go from there. I'll show you in a minute. This is almost ready to take out. I'm gonna get all this extra on the sides here. Or as much Play-Doh in there. You don't want it to burn. And it looks like I am about ready to get my, I like to put it on like a cutting board at first so that it can cool off and not like melts and do weird stuff on my counter. I'm sure your mom and dad will appreciate that. Okay. It's hot, so don't touch it. Okay, give it a second. And you can either put, like I said, you can put on the pan or on this, or you can put it on wax paper. And like it's still pretty hot, so kind of let it cool down. And then once it cools down a little bit, then you can start like, this is called kneading it, where you squish it with your fingers. It's so hot. Okay, to get all the lumps out. And then once it's cooled down all the way, your Play-Doh is ready to play with. And that's how you make Play-Doh.